still kind of a buddy thing. Okay, are we ready? Okay.
One, two. I want to. Goodbye, Joe. Me gotta go. Me oh my oh. Me got to go. Pull the pillow down the bayou. My Yvonne, sweetest one. Me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah, jambalaya, a crawfish pie, and a filet gumbo. For tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle Mio. Pick guitar, fill through jar, and big ale. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Tippy-do, Fontano, the place is buzzing. Kinfolk come see Yvonne by the dozen. Dressed in style, go hog wild, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah, jambalaya, a crawfish pie, a filet gumbo.
Oh, yum.
Oh, tonight I'm gonna see Mama Sherry Mio. Pick guitar, fill through jar, and the gale. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah! Settle down far from town, get me a pirogue. I'm gonna catch all the fish in the bayou. Swap my money to buy Yvonne what she need, oh. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah, jambalaya, a crawfish pie, filet gumbo. For tonight I'm gonna see Mama Sherry Mio. Pick guitar, fill through jar, and the gale. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah, son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou.
Welcome back to Carmine's Country Corner. Boy, my mic sounds loud, but maybe that's okay. I don't know. Of course, I kind of shouted it out, didn't I, Paul? I kind of yelled
Yeah,
it
you got right on it. That's cool.
out. That's okay.
That's good. It's attitude, self.
Up
People
here,
like
Cody, Brian, I love him.
Yeah.
Last week, Cody was with us, and you were standing behind my amp. And I said, Cody's, last week I said, he's one of the best frontmen in L.A., anywhere, and he's standing
One of
behind
that,
my amp.
that's
He-
backmen too.
He was so far back there, he looked like he was part of the backdrop.
Yeah, he did. By that wagon wheel back there, the accordion.
I liked it. I was happy there.
But I'll tell you something. We had 7 people on stage, and Cody kind of showed up kind of like at the last minute, and that was the only spot that was left, you know, so you had to. Anyway, this is a Carmine's Country Corner coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. It's really hot today, but we still had lovely Dr. Teresa and Dr. Kathy and Colleen and her friend Lily. No. Emily. See, Lily, Emily. See how I do it all wrong. Anyway, thanks for coming up. And so we're all kind of sweating it out today, but we're going to have some fun. Tomorrow at 5 o'clock at St. Andrews is my brother's, we're having the rosary for my brother Buddy. And then Tuesday morning at St. Andrews in Pasadena, 10 o'clock in the morning, we're having the service, the Mass. He passed away a week ago last Monday, and boy, am I going to miss him. Already I've been missing him. Paul. Me too. And Buddy's gone. I mean, we lost Sonny about a year ago, and that was a big enough blow. And then just like 11 months later, my other brother goes. But you know what? We're keeping a good attitude, because that's what they would want us to do. And we're just moving forward. That's all we can do. So anyway, that's it. I'm out of things to say at the moment. Paul, do another one.
Well, not because of anything. I'm going to do a death song anyway.
Okay, it's okay. Fine.
Kid G. 151, straight eights. 1, 2, 1. There's a long line of mourners coming down our street. Their fancy cars are such a sight to see. They're all of the rich friends who knew you in the city. And now they finally brought you back to me. The paper told of how you lost your life, of the party and the fatal crash that night, of the race on the highway and the curve nobody's seen. Now you're riding in a long black limousine. When you left home, you told me someday you'd be returning in a fancy car for the whole town to see. Well, everybody's staring. Looks like you finally got your dream. You're riding in a long black limousine. With tear-rimmed eyes I watch as you ride by, with a chauffeur at the wheel dressed up so fine. I'll never love another. My hopes and all my dreams ride with you in that long black limousine. Yeah, they ride with you in that long black limousine.
Who did that song?
Merle Haggard.
Merle, that's right. I forgot. And then you just did it. And I like the way you did it. Perfect. Cody, let me
And
know
Butch-
if you
Butch Hendricks
think
used to
about
sing it.
singing the song, you're welcome. But if not, don't worry about it. Okay, you know what? This guitar I'm playing, Buddy bought me this, my brother. I think it was my 65th birthday. And my 80th birthday is coming up this Saturday, the 29th. I'm going to be 80 years old. So I've had it about 15 years. I don't play it as often as I should because, you know, we collect these things, Cody, and then we fall on like one or two that we love, and the others are just, you know,
We have a room full, and
got
we
a
use
room
the same one all
all
the
the
time.
time. But I'm not playing my Rosewood Telly this week. I didn't even bring it out. I'm going to play the red one. That one my brother Lewis bought me for my 80th birthday. He gave it to me last week, and I think I'm going to play it today. So anyway, I'm gonna do a song off Buddy's album. It's the only one that I feel good enough about doing. He did a really cool album about, I don't know, 8-9 years ago, and so we're gonna miss him, but we still got his album to listen to. If you want to hear him sing and play, there he is. Absolutely. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Walking across this old street, get that, on the outskirts of town, thinking about the long way home, and the rain comes pouring down. Oh, pouring rain, why can't you understand? I got enough pain without your helping hand. I drove into town with my baby in a gray Cadillac. She found herself somebody else, and I found myself walking back. Oh, pouring rain, why can't you understand? I've got enough pain without your helping hand. Cody. A big gust of wind snuck up on me and blew my hat in the creek. The woods in my holes are getting bigger, like the rocks under my feet. Oh, pouring rain, why can't you understand? Got enough pain without your helping hand. I tried to wave down a trucker, but he just waved as he blew by. I hear the roar of the thunder, and I see the flash in the sky. Oh, pouring rain, why can't you understand? I've got enough pain without your helping hand. can't you understand? I've got enough pain without your helping hand. I tried to wave down a trucker. He just waved as he blew by. I hear the sound of the thunder, and I see the flash in the sky. Oh, pouring rain. Why can't you understand? I've got enough pain without your helping hand. Oh, pouring rain. Why can't you understand? I've got enough pain without your helping hand. So I left out a whole line. Something comes in that song after I tried to wave down a trucker. Yeah. He just waved as he blew by. And then you sing that part. And then there's the last part, and I'm telling you. Buddy, forgive me. I left out. But by next week, I'll have the whole thing perfect. Hey, thanks for putting up with me. Cody, whatever you want to do. Play fiddle?
Sure.
You're the boss. Okay. Paul, what do you got?
Let's do
Oh, you want to do it?
yeah, let's do something simple. Soldier Choice.
Yeah. D.
Key a dog?
What is this? Yeah, those instrumentals, they're kind of fun.
They can be.
So, Cody, what have you been doing?
Just, I don't know. I don't pay attention.
Yeah.
I just go.
Okay. So we're searching.
They used to say I'm so broke I can't pay attention.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's kind of my case. Hey, Paul, do another one, then maybe I'll sing another one. Then we'll get Tom up. Let him do a couple.
Okay.
Hey, Dan, can you speak under the camera?
Key of E. I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I am sometimes up and I am sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. Still my soul feels heavenly bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Yeah, if you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. You tell all my friends I am coming too, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low,
I didn't tune that thing before the show today. I didn't know whether I was going to play it or not. And here Cody picks it up, but they did just fine. You kept bending them into tune. One, two, three. Oh, blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. You got it. One more time, do it again, Cody. And I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue, baby. It's just blue. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue, broken-hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Man, it's kind of slow moving today because the heat is laying pretty heavy in the room, I gotta tell you. But we're having a good time. We're all here. Paul, how's the family? I forgot to ask you.
Family is very good, thank you, Carmen.
Kids are good. Everybody's
Kids are
moving
good.
along.
We had a visit from PJ.
There you go.
Did you turn this down a little bit? Did you turn this down, perhaps, accidentally?
No, mine was feeding back. Turn his up.
I think put mine back where it was, wherever it was. I think it was over there.
Don't
we go.
turn
That's mu-
anybody
that's much
down
better.
without my permission.
That's better. Thank you.
Okay, there it is.
Yeah, everybody's fine. PJ visited
Poor
with
Dan.
Juniper, and
PJ came down and
PJ came down. Juniper, Jean came down. That's
good. Yeah, the family.
had a bunch of little kids running all around.
Well, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. You gonna play that Tully for a while? You're looking pretty good with it. I think we're gonna do it this way for the rest of the show, Cody. It's gonna be kind of your deal.
You know, last week we forgot something very
What?
important.
What's that?
We forgot to sing happy birthday to Rockin' Johnny Palmer back
Oh
there.
man. Well, you know, I got him a cake and everything last week, and
But we didn't do happy birthday.
but we did not sing it, and we're gonna do it now. Good call, Cody. Well, Keo, you're up next.
What? Is he here? Is he watching her?
Tom Paul Wilson's getting up here because right after the birthday song, Tom's going to do a couple of songs with us.
But do the birthday song.
Yep. Here we go. Key of F with feeling. Dan's trying to tell us something important. Jimmy Harris's?
Oh, that's right, Jimmy. I called him early. I called Jimmy Harris this morning and got an answer machine, but Susie and I did wish him a happy birthday. Today, a lot of you people out there know Jimmy Harris. He's one of the family. Would love him dearly. And so today's his birthday. So happy birthday, Jimmy. I'm coming to see you, I think, in August. I think we're going to try to get to Tupelo. You and I are going to play some music together, I hope. Okay, brother?
You know, Jimmy's a little crazy, and Palmer is more than. Is there something about a birthday around? All right, you have happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rockin' Johnny and Jimmy. Happy birthday to you. Take it, Carmine. Take it from the top. 1, 2.
I'll tell you, the best time we ever had with that was about 5, 6 years ago at Viva Cantina, maybe a little longer. And Cody brings this trumpet to the gig one night, and he says, I said, I didn't know you played trumpet. He said, I don't. He said, but I'm going to start right now. And he started out, one of the ways he would learn is he'd find out somebody's birthday in the crowd, and he would play Happy Birthday, and we would just die.
Chase 'em home.
It was so great. But you know what? You got pretty darn good on that thing, buddy. Saxophone, too. Crowd, bring that sax up one night. We'll do some Fats Domino stuff. He plays really good saxophone.
Sax domino.
That is great. Fats Domino's a good cat. What do we got? Oh, Tom Paul Wilson. I'm really asleep today. I'm sorry, folks. Tom, what do you got?
I'm so lucky to get to play with these guys. I'm just going to start. Watch these guys catch on. On the long, lonesome highway, east of Omaha, you can listen to the engines rolling out as one long song. Think about a woman or a girl you knew the night before. Thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do. When you're riding 16 hours, there's nothing left to do. When you don't feel much like riding, just wish the trip was through. Oh, here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. There I go. Cody, you play something for me, buddy? 2, 3, 4, at the top. You're strung out from the road. You feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking off the cold. You pretend it doesn't bother you, but you just want to explode. And most times you can't hear them talk, but other times you can. All the same old cliches. Is that a woman or a man? You always seem outnumbered. You don't dare make a stand. Here we go, chorus, boys. Here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. There I go, turn. Come on, Carmine. Keep going, honey. Keep going. Carmine, play the chorus. Play the chorus, Carmine. Here I am. All right, last verse. Those words are going to come to me, man. Watch. Out there in the spotlight, you're a million miles away, and every ounce of energy you try to give away, and the sweat pours out your body like the music that you play. And later in the evening, when you lie awake in bed, the echoes of the amplifiers ringing in your head. You smoke the day's last cigarette, remembering what you said. Here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. Good job. Wow. One more portion. You guys are too much. Okay. Let's play another upbeat one. Can we sing this one with me? Living on the road, my friend. Gonna keep going, Johnny. I'm with you. Living on the road, my friend. Gonna keep us free and clean. How you wear your skin like iron. Breast as hard as kerosene. You weren't your mama's only boy, but her favorite one it seems. She began to cry when you said goodbye. It sank into your dream. I'll do the next verse. Pancho was a bandit, boys. He rode a horse fast as polished steel. He wore his gun outside his clothes for all the honest world to feel. And Pancho met his match, you know, in the desert down in Mexico. And no one heard his dying word. Oh, but that's hide 'em any day, and they only let 'em slip away. Kindness, I suppose. Take it, Cody.
Lefty, he don't sing the blues all night long like he used to. Dust that Pancho bit down south, it ended up in Lefty's mouth. The day they laid poor Pancho low, Lefty split for Ohio, where he got the bread to go. Ain't nobody know. All the federales say could have had him any day. They only let him slip away. Out of kindness, I suppose. Well, poets tell how Pancho fell. Lefty's living in some cheap hotel. The desert's quiet, Cleveland's cold, and so the story ends, we're told. Lefty needs your prayers, it's true. Save a few for Pancho or Lefty too. He only did what he had to do. Now he's growing old. All the federales say we could have had him any day. We only let him go so long. Out of kindness, I suppose. A few brave federales say could have had him any day. We only let him slip away. Out of kindness, I suppose.
Take your time. Good job, Tom. Whose car? Oh, is that what you did? Oh, technical difficulty, but we're coming right back. Oh. Okay.
We look better, probably.
Is there a reason they can't see me? Because of the technical difficulty, I guess. All right, folks, we'll be right back. Oh, we only got 15 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to play my cello real quick. Well, I'm good, okay. Paul, do something.
Okay.
Say something, dance. You know what to do. I got to change this.
I know what you're saying.
Let me get my guitar. I hate 'em. You know, maybe we'll go 5 minutes over just because it's kind of a hot day, and Dan, you got waiting to get out of here, so we'll keep them over a few minutes. See if this thing even sounds different. Yep, we got it. How we want to
Key of G, straight A's.
Let's do it.
2, 1. Whenever I chance to meet some old friend on the street, they wonder how does a man get to be this way. I always got a smiling face, anytime and any place. And every time they ask me why, I just smile and say, you've got to kiss an angel good morning and let her know you think about her when you're gone. Kiss an angel good morning and love her like the devil when you get back home. Now people may try to guess the secret of happiness. Some of them never learn, it's a simple thing. The secret I'm speaking of is a woman and a man in love. And the answer is in this song that I always sing. You've got to kiss an angel good morning, let her know you think about her when you're gone. Kiss an angel good morning, love her like the devil when you get back home. You've got to kiss an angel good morning, let her know you think about her when you're gone. Kiss an angel good morning, love her like the devil when you get back home. Kiss an angel good morning, let her know you think about her when you're gone. Kiss an angel good morning, love her like the devil when you get back home.
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town, and I thought he was a hero. I used to follow Clayton, who seemed so good to me. And he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Show him, Cody. And my daddy said he drank a lot, and I could never understand. And I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause there ain't no money in it. It'll lead you to an early grave. I guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned, just picking up the lovesick blues. Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned, picking up the lovesick blues. When Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton, the lady, died. Paul?
Yes, sir.
What do we got? You got the Cody. You're not gonna sing. Comes all the way up here, won't sing, man. I don't know. Cody, thank you for coming up. Cody always helps me out. He comes up and plays. Tom, thank you for a great night. Kim, I'll see you at the church. We're gonna give Buddy, my brother Buddy, a send off on Tuesday. I think Dan's gonna come down and say hello. Everybody say a little prayer for Buddy. Tuesday's kind of the day where we put everything to rest. and try to move forward, which we will do in good spirit and with a little help from the Lord. We're going to be okay. So love you guys. Thanks for watching. Paul's going to close it out. We'll see you next week. Don't be late. Next week is my birthday on Saturday. I'll be 80. Sunday's the 30th. We're going to have a little thing, not real big, but on July 7th, everybody make a note of this. And I'm kind of inviting everybody to come by and say hello if they want to. We're going to have it out on the patio. And just park where you can and come in. There's going to be people like J.D. Manis and Albert Lee and Pete Anderson and, of course, Paul and Cody. And there's going to be a whole bunch of really great players come up, and like we have, like we used to do at Viva. The Viva Cantina, we had that big party every year. So we're going to try to do one here on Saturday. It'll be out in the patio. It won't be inside where it's hot. There's a beautiful breeze out there. We're going to have food, and that's it.
Sounds good.
We'll have a good time, Paul.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
I'll be here.
good night. See you next week.
One, two, Bampanay. Yeah, the lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. Well, when I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. Yeah. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. truck and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
Thank you, folks.
Yeah. Good night, everybody.